Let's learn how you can fix unable to change country or region on iPhone. So the first step is to open settings. Here you want to open your iCloud. First few things you need to check is that you don't have any subscription on available. So go to iCloud, click on subscription, and you can't have any subscription active if you want to change the region. So you want to disable it and unsubscribe. Now, you cannot be in any family sharing. For example, I am not in, so it's asking me to set up, but for people who are, they know what I'm talking about. So you need to exit from family. And third thing you want to check out is if you have balance on your app store. So let us open our app store, click on your account in top right corner, and here you will find add money to account button right here. Click on it, and as you can see here will be your balance. So you need to have 0 on your balance. After that, you can just go back to your iCloud, click on media and purchases, click on view account, and here you can select country/region and change it. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.